name is Rahman.
And I'm Rehan.
Yeah, today we're going to make the gun MP5. Alright, let's get started. But let me tell you some details of this before I restart. See, we made this an elongated barrel and we took out the aiming point because that came out bad, but we'll show it in this video. And this magazine is dope. We'll correct that in this video too. And we made it without stock so that it looks like gangster style.
It will be nice.
Yeah, let's get started. To start on, take an A4 sheet first
And
roll it like this.
So much fat.
Yeah.
And now
Wait a
stick
minute.
it. First check the size of this.
Yeah.
It should be far from this.
See, well, I'll do that like this because you don't have an MP5 already, right? So I'll check it like this. A little bit. Yeah, this size would be perfect. Now just
3 centimeters, I think.
Yeah, 3
3
centimeters.
centimeters.
Now
Stick it in the middle, top, and now bottom.
Right now to the inside too. See this paper?
Sneaky weaky.
Stick that.
In our last
Do that
video,
to the other side too.
in our last video, we showed you how to make a box easily.
Yep. We'll do that here too. Well,
That technique.
but if you didn't see that video, then watch it after this one. Alright? Now flatten it up
And open.
and open it and again flatten it up.
And now open.
Make some strong crease right here.
It would be nice to see a perfect box. A square.
Alright. We made this a box. Now let's check size to our original one. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright. We did it. Now take a scissor and at one side cut some part of it.
Show to them. Turn some like that.
Leave it. Cut some part of it like this. I'll show you it. Oh, this gets me. Alright, I've cut it on the 4 sides.
Only
Right.
on the back.
Only on one side, okay? After cutting it, you can fold it like this right here and fold it like this too. I mean, that isn't not at all. But
Take this. It would be sharp.
cut more.
Yeah, it is sharp.
Alright, so I've cut some more part of it. Now that will be enough. Alright, do here. Fold it like this
And stick
it up.
From down to.
Even down to up to. Alright, we made the main part. Now let's get doing the handle. What? Hey, I found a handle right here. But we need to use the same technique we used to make the main part because this too is a box. But make a smaller one and a thinner one too. Alright. Now we need to attach these like this. Right? Let's magic. 3, 2, 1, go. Stick. Alright guys, I've made a few more things with my magic. So for example, this trigger part, I've used some paper strips and made this, and this barrel too. Well, now all that is left is the magazine. To make that, wait a minute, something's missing. Where's my bro? He's gone somewhere. Let that leave aside. We'll leave that aside. Alright, now to make the magazine, we'll need an A4 sheet. And to make that, we'll need to draw a magazine right here. Two magazines. Draw two magazines and cut them. For drawing, for example, this. I drew a magazine here. Now we'll just fold it like this.
Fold it perfectly, and the drawing should now come to the other side.
Inside. See? It should come like this. Now be sure to make a strong crease. And then you need to cut this. Cut it. Right. We've got two magazine strips, type of strips. Alright. First, to make the magazine, we need still more A4 sheets. Take one and fold it into half
And cut it.
Not cut it.
Yes, cut it.
No.
Yes.
I have other ways.
Because the magazine is thin.
Yeah, it will come then. Alright, now again fold it.
And now again.
Yep.
And again.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty hard.
That's what I said. Cut it before.
No need.
I think it comes for a full man.
No. Just half now. Now guys, let me tell you the technique. Now stick it with tape so that it doesn't open. You know why I didn't cut it to the middle before? Because the thickness should be much. And if we cut it into half, the thickness will be reduced by 50%. And the magazine will be weak.
Now stick full. It's completed. Sticking completed.
Yep. Alright, now guys,
Fold it.
fold it like this. Fully flatten it out.
So it could be somewhat bent.
Easy to bend. Alright, now take one of the magazine strips and stick the top part to here.
You should give some gap.
Yeah, like this. Well, I'll show you from here. Like this. Now we need to stick this the whole way. I'll fast forward it. So let's start. Alright guys, I made the mag. So like I told you before, the strips need to be attached to this magazine strip we made. Alright, so after that I've stick to the both sides, and I didn't fill it on the inside, but you can if you want and if you like. So there's one part left for us to make. It's the magazine slot, and to make that I've made another box which fits this, and now we need to do the sticking. Wait a minute.
Take your specs.
No, I don't want it. Alright, that's good. Let me check it again. If this will be fine.
It will be.
Alright, that is fine. Now we need to stick it to this. Do that quick.
Use a strip.
Wait a minute.
Now stick this.
Alright,
Stick on
now
the other
stick
side.
it on the other side too.
Then it will stay there.
Alright, we've sticked it. Well, now I think so, we made it a bit much longer. Wait a minute.
Let's cut it.
Okay, let's cut it.
Not in cross.
I'm cutting it straight. Yeah. This is enough. Alright, now let's try fitting in the magazine inside of this, but before that I need to use a technique right here. So you take a strip of tape and roll it
like this.
on the opposite side. The
Like
sticky side must be on the outside.
Like this. Roll it like this.
And now stick it on the top. Like this. And now take this gun and put this mag inside of this. Whoa! That's a success, man. Alright, we made this MP5. Now, video's over. If you like our video, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome World.